Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th February 2025. US President Donald Trump suspended his threat of steep tariffs on Mexico and Canada on Monday, agreeing to a 30-day pause in return for concessions on border and crime enforcement with the two neighboring countries. US tariffs on China are still due to take effect within hours. Both Canadian Prime Minister and Mexican President said they had agreed to bolster border enforcement efforts in response to Trump's demand to crack down on immigration and drug smuggling. That would pause 25% tariffs due to take effect on Tuesday for 30 days. Gold loans by commercial banks surged by 68% in the first 9 months of financial year 25 due to rising gold prices. Non-bank lenders also saw a rise in gold loan sanctions. The increase in gold prices has allowed lenders to offer higher loan amounts due to higher collateral value, enhancing lender comfort despite regulatory scrutiny on gold loan portfolios. BlackRock Inc., the world's largest asset manager, has leased over 1.65 lakh square feet of office space in Goregaon, Mumbai for its Global Capability Center. The lease, spanning over 10 years, is part of BlackRock's expansion strategy in India, and it involves renting 3 floors in the Commerce 3 commercial complex for around Rs 400 crore. The National Financial Reporting Authority has imposed a penalty on the engagement partner for significant lapses in the statutory audit of Religare Finvest Limited for financial year 2017-18. The engagement partner failed to report fraud related to RFL's corporate loan book, did not properly assess fraud risks, and neglected to verify key investments and financial statement items. Additionally, the audit opinion issued was inappropriate, overlooking material misstatements, and the consolidation procedures were deficient. As a result, the engagement partner was fined Rs 5 lakh and debarred from acting as an auditor or internal auditor for 5 years. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has released the draft Bank Branch Auditors Panel for 2024-25 in line with the Reserve Bank of India's norms. Applicants can access their details such as MEF number, firm registration number, and category by entering relevant information on the MEF portal. The draft panel is open for review until February 5, 2025, and applicants can raise queries or complaints if needed. After resolving these queries, the final panel will be submitted to the RBI for approval. RPSG Group, owned by Sanjeev Goenka and the owner of IPL franchise Lucknow Super Giants, has won the bid to acquire a stake in the Hundreds Manchester Originals, valuing the franchise at £107 million. While most bidders have acquired 49% stakes so far, sources indicate that the Kolkata-based conglomerate is set to acquire a majority 70% stake in the team. This marks a significant expansion for RPSG in English cricket. The England and Wales Cricket Board is selling 49% stake in each team, while counties can retain or sell all or part of their 51% ownership. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.